3D models are a great way of bringing in a depth to the experience. They can be used to add animated characters, simple product models or any other model that can make the experience more immersive. We can either upload or select a model from the integrated Sketchfab and Google Poly libraries. In this example, we are going to search and find a bike model from Sketchfab. The model is now downloaded to our project and we can place it the same way as we would any other element. We can toggle the wireframe mode of the model using the wireframe setting. Switch on auto rotation, which will rotate it along its center. The auto animation button will play all the animations embedded in the model on autoplay.